Okay, so an overview of the machine first of all. We do the inverter lighting tower, the LT600i, the LT600D, which is the diesel generator specific one, and obviously we can do a package with a lighting tower and a diesel generator. So one of the options with these is if you buy one lighting tower with the generator, they can be daisy chained up to an amount of 6. So one generator can operate or power 6 lighting towers. So that could cover a vast area, football pitches, yards, that sort of idea. So this particular one, as you can see, is the LT600D or LED-D. Comes with a DHY 6000. It's not the standard DHY 6000. These ones have the rubber feet instead of the normal wheels. So this would be the sort of standard diesel generator lighting tower package. So we'll talk about the lighting tower. I think you all know about the generators. We've been selling these for years. The lighting towers themselves can run on 115, or the lights, the energy they require is 115 volts, but you can also use 230. So this particular one with this DHY is configured for 230, and the 230 is fairly self-evident by the blue plugs. If you connect up 115, there is a modification to the lighting tower that needs doing, and that would be to swap this plug to a yellow one, and obviously for daisy chaining, we would swap the outlet plugs to yellow ones as well. They're pretty much identical, it's just the color of the plug to keep it standard and to code. So as you can see, it comes on 4 wheels, 2 of which are steerable, and it does have this steering bar here, and as you can see, the wheels the other end are turning. I'm not going to push it along because we are in the foyer of the building and the lighting tower is up. If ever transporting or moving the unit, the lighting tower should be lowered down to the bottom. So it's very important that in use, the stabiliser legs are used. So just lift that up, drop it down, and that locks the leg in place. And of course they are adjustable. Now with this being a 5-meter height machine, there is a warning on them that it mustn't be used in winds over 30 kilometers per hour. So if the wind goes over 30 kilometers, we do need to lower the lighting tower down to the bottom. Actually, one of the big risks with things like this, in high winds, if they blow over, all sorts of injuries can occur, and obviously damage to the machine as well. So as you can see, we've got standard hand winch here. I've just lowered it down, but really simple to raise the light unit. Takes a few minutes, but it's a one-handed operation. Okay, so it's an LT600. What that means is we've got 600 watts of LED lighting. So we've got 4 pods on the top, and each one of those pods is capable of 12,500 lumens. So we've got 50,000 lumens up there. So one other thing of note with the lights up there, that the light units actually are designed to last 30,000 hours of use before giving any problems. So obviously if you do buy the diesel version, there are special accessories to be able to bolt the generator hard onto the frame, which is a good thing as well. So there we are. I think that's a general overview of our lighting towers. I hope you find it useful.